All right, so I just got this. I had to make a video about this because I'm so excited, man. This is like 400 bucks. So what this does is it's I just brain farted the name of this. NAVSTAR, yeah. It's what it does is it turns the 8-inch screen in my car into a TV. Basically, it intercepts the signal, and then I can plug HDMI in, and I could play a movie for my kid. Because she sits in the middle usually, so she'll be able to see it straight on. And I'm sure it goes into the Bose speakers too. So I did that because my car has never worked. Like, it's a 17 model, and all the cool features on the screen don't work. Like, the Android Auto is a red screen on every phone I've ever had. It doesn't work. The GPS is terrible because it's through OnStar. So I don't even know. Like, you're supposed to be able to mirror your map, and it doesn't work. So we're going to fix that with this. I got to put this in. I'll probably do a video putting this in, because that'll be good stuff too for you guys. Yeah, it doesn't have anything on the box, but yeah, NAVSTAR. They're the only ones that make anything for a stock car screen to be able to play movie, whatever you want, because it's HDMI input and it's got a bunch of camera inputs. I think it's got like 4 that are automatic. So if you wanted to add more cameras to your car, you could, and it would come up on the screen. Sorry, I'm everywhere. I got to go outside because I'm going to do another video of the generator now that it's not fully assembled. I'm still waiting on the coupler and some other parts, but yeah, we'll get to that in a second. Let me get this one over.